Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Juliet. If this is your first time here, you're definitely welcome. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. In today's video, we'll be doing a quick little makeup tutorial, so stay tuned. So guys, starting this video, I'm using the MIS Moisture Potion. This has hyaluronic acid in it. This also doubles up as a moisturizer and a primer. So if you want to use it as a primer, yeah, definitely you can do that. So I'm just massaging this in for my skin to absorb it. And next I'm going in with my primer, which is the Black Radiance True Complexion primer. This primer is very thick, guys, so you always want to go in with just a little bit, just enough for your nose, basically your T-zone area. So yeah, for this makeup, guys, I'm doing the powder before foundation look because I have oily skin and I wanted the makeup to last for a very long time, although I'm not going anywhere with this makeup. So for foundation, I'm going in with my Nuban Beauty in my skin foundation in the shade L6. So guys, I've been meaning to do another Nuban Beauty review, or basically like a full face of Nuban Beauty makeup, just because it's been a while. I did one, no, not that, but basically because they came out with like a hydrating primer and also a mattifying primer, and they also released like setting powders in like various shades. So I've been meaning to try that out also. So I think I'm going to do like a full face of Nuban Beauty product, not like a review, because I already have like a Nuban Beauty review up, and basically they're also going to be like the same products apart from the primer and then the setting powder. So now I'm going in with my Nuban Beauty in my skin concealer in the shade 047, which I used to cream contour. And now to highlight, I'm using the Nuban Beauty in my skin concealer in 043. So guys, I'm going to leave the link of my Nuban Beauty review video in the description box, and also I'm going to have a list of all the products I use in achieving this makeup look in the description box as well, so you guys can check that out. So now I'm making sure that I blend out the concealer, and I'm also making sure before I go into blend out I have a little bit of product on my beauty blender. And guys, I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend all of this out. So guys, I also remember that I was in for a competition, but I never got to tell you guys what the final outcome of it was. But guys, after the second look I did, which was like the rhinestone inspired look, I didn't qualify again. Yeah, that was what happened. So that was why I just forgot to like give you all the outcome of that. So yeah, I didn't make it for the third round. So I went ahead to set down all of the places where I applied my concealer, and now I'm going in to set all of the places where I did the cream contour, and I'm using the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette, and I'm picking up the darkest shade from that palette to set all of those areas down. So basically that's like my forehead, my cheekbone, and my jawline. And I'm going in to set my nose contour using the Milani Mineralized pressed powder in the shade Warm. So guys, it was actually very disappointing when I realized that I didn't make it, but there'll be other opportunities that come by. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. So now for my eye look, I'm going in with the Nuban Beauty Wishes palette, and I'm picking up that orange shade from the palette, and I'm going in with a tapered blending brush to apply that all over my inner corner, and also blending it into my crease area and my transition area. So basically guys, this look is so simple, it's very easy to do. My intention was to create something very simple. Actually, I still think it's like a simple eye look to do, just the only difference is just like the cut crease, but apart from that it's like a very simple, it's like 2 or 3 shades, and then you're just going with your shimmer shade. So I went in with that purple shade from the palette, yeah, and I applied this was the shade I applied onto the outer view of my eyes, but basically like I blended it towards the outer view and also into my crease. And then I went in and I took a very plum shade, and that was what I applied in the outer corner of my eyes. So guys, the shade I took for the outer view of my eyes, it is a plum shade, but it's I don't know how to describe how it comes out like, but basically it's that shade I was showing you guys. So that was what I applied onto the outer view of my eyes, and I also blended it into my crease area. So once I was done blending this out, I went ahead to cut my crease, and you guys know I always going to cut my crease. Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium Dark 34. I always like to go in with a lot of concealer or whatever product I'm using to cut my crease. I always like to go in with a lot of the product on my brush, whatever brush I'm using for the cut crease. This just helps me. It's like key, it's essential when cutting your crease. And I always like to take it above the fold where my eyes, you know, gets hooded. Like, I like to take my crease above my hooded eyes so that whenever I look up, you know, people can see what's going on my eyes. So I'm going back in with the same shade I applied all over the outer view of my eyes, and I'm blending that into the concealer. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to go back into the Nuban Beauty Wishes palette, and I'm going to pick different shades. Like, there are different shimmer shade. I picked up the golden shade, the green shade, and the blue, and I applied that all over my crease area. So these were all the shades I used for my lid area. So guys, for under my lash line, I went ahead to apply the same shades I did on my crease area, my transition area basically. So I picked up the orange shade and the purple shade, and I just applied that with a flat brush on the lower lash line. So guys, I did my eyebrows off camera. I've been really loving, you know, doing my face makeup and then going in to do my eyebrow before I do my eyes. I don't know, it helps me save time. And you know, like normally if I done my eyebrow before I started doing my whole face, it take me about 15 to 20 minutes to get my eyebrow right. So I'm picking up that icy blue shade from the palette, and this is what I'm using for my inner corner highlight. And now I'm going to go in to set the rest of my makeup using the Nuban Beauty Silhouette makeup setting spray. So for mascara, I'm going in with the Zaron Lengthening mascara. And now I'm going in to highlight my face using the Colourpop highlighter, the Colourpop X MakeupShayla highlighter in the shade Blooming. And now for my lips, I'm going in with my L.A Girl Lip pencil in the shade Cafe. I'm going to use this to line my lips and also fill in the sides of my lips. And now for my lip shade, I'm going in with the Rimmel London lipstick in the shade Kabash. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to blend that all in. So basically guys, that's it for this look. I'm just going to go off camera to work on my hair. I'm setting my face again with the Morphe setting spray. So guys, this is the completed makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and also leave me a comment down below if you enjoyed this video. So guys, I'll leave a list of all the products I use in achieving this look in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.